We remain steadfast in our commitment in delivering local news that matters, stories that inspire, enriching the lives of Filipinos in the Philippines and across the globe.
This is your GMA Regional TV, kapuso ng bawat Pilipino. Kini ang At Home with GMA Regional TV.
Good morning mga kapusog! Happy Monday sa tanan natong viewers all over Mindanao. Kamusta mo? Ug Attorney Resi, kamusta ang imong weekend?
Good morning, Sabsay! Naku, nakapag-recharge na ko this weekend. How about ang atong mga kapuso nga naden ha sa Santo Tomas, San Isidro sa Davao del Norte? Maayong buntag ka rin yung tanan, mga kapuso. Ug syempre sayog mga kapuso, usa na sab ka beauty queen ang atong makauban kanon buntaga. Usa siya ka Davaoenia nga mo represent sa Davao City sa Miss Universe Philippines pageant. Atong makauban this morning si Yvonne Ortega.
Samtang Resi, laing talented Mindanawan ang akong makauban kaysa usa ka musician nga nahilig sa pag-cover og mga Korean o Japanese pop music. Siya si Jomar Sam de los Reyes.
Ug sa bisto ka atong makachikahan si kapuso actress Thea Tolentino.
Apan una ka na mga kapuso, nasayod ba mo nga ang iladong Bangkirohan Bridge sa Davao City gigamit sa panahon sa gyera? Gigamit sa mga Amerikano ang tulay isip military type pontoon bridge. Ug pagkatuig 1930, giguba ang parte sa tulay aron malangan ang paghatod og supply ug sundalo sa mga Hapon.
Ang maong tulay ginganlan og Generoso Bridge isip tribute kang Governor Sebastian Generoso kinsa nahimong governor sa Davao ni atong tuig 1925. Maayong buntag, Thea, and welcome back dito sa At Home with GMA Regional TV. Kamusta ka na ngayon?
Hello! Okay naman po. Nandito ako ngayon sa Kalamba.
Hello sa mga taga-Kalamba. Sana umabot ang show namin dyan. Pero Miss T, kamustahan muna tayo. How has your life been for the past couple of months? Have you taken this time to reflect ba or to rediscover your passion and interests?
Medyo, yeah. Actually, nitong mga huli, naging busy nga ako dahil sa tapings and actually, masyado akong naging busy to ask myself kung kumusta na ako.
Ano yun kung wala kang mga like showbiz commitments, wala kang taping? Ano usually yung ginagawa mo naman?
Pag wala akong work, nandito lang ako sa Kalamba. I spend time with my family or buong araw ako naglalaro ng Switch. Or minsan ako.
Hindi ka ba nanonood ng mga movies, mga gano'n, mga K-drama? Hindi ka ba nahilig?
Nanonood ako. In fairness, kasi ako tamad ako manood ng K-drama kasi ang haba nila, di ba? Nakatapos ako ng 2 show, in fairness.
Tapos ayaw mo ng sundan.
Matamad pa ako.
Sige lang, oh. Kaya mo yan. But ngayon, na-mention mga that you're busy with your taping na after doing several projects with GMA. Meron ka ng bagong teleserye ngayon. Please tell us more about it.
Ang bagong teleserye ay ang Las Hermanas. Mapapanood yan sa October sa GMA Afternoon Prime. Kasama ko dito si Yasmin Curdy, Faith De Silva, Jason Avalos, Lucho Ayala, Miss Ruby Ruby, Miss Rita Avila, at maraming iba pa. Las Hermanas ay umiikot sa kwento ng 3 magkapatid na sa umpisa buo ang pamilya. Pero dahil sa isang trahedya, silang 3 na lang ang natira at makikita nila kung paano nila pagdadaanan ng lahat ng pagsubok sa buhay.
what's going to be your character naman, Faye, for the show? And ano yung mga ginawa mo para kakaibang Thea naman ang makikita namin this time on screen?
Mabait ako dito.
Oy! Iba yun.
At saka, ako dito, ang middle child. Ate namin si Ate Dorothy, played by Yasmin Curdy, at ang bunso, si Faith Da Silva as Scarlett. Ako dito ay mahina ang loob at hindi masyado nagsasalita.
Nahirapan ka ba to get into that character? Parang iba dun sa feisty at saka matapang ng mga characters mo in the past eh.
Yes, actually, nahirapan ako kasi more on internal emotion. Sobrang chill lang namin sa set.
That's nice to know naman at excited na nga kaming makita ang pinaghirapan ninyo. But looking forward to your career, Faye, ano pa yung mga gusto mong ma-achieve in this industry?
Gusto kong mag-star naman sa isang movie. Kasi madalas ako sa teleserye and gusto kong ma-experience ang, especially indie films. Kasi iba ang material ng indie films eh. Mas nakakapag-explore at saka dun mo talaga mahahasa yung acting skills mo dahil iba't ibang character talaga yung pwede mong magampanan.
And I think the time is now, baka naman. You'll be working on, diba? Pero Las Hermanas muna, imbitahan natin ating mga kapuso. Thea, panoorin syempre ang Las Hermanas, and for those who want to follow you in social media, saan kanila pwedeng i-follow?
Inimbitan ko po kayo na panoorin ang Las Hermanas sa October na yan sa GMA Afternoon Prime. Ito ay directed by Direct Monty Paruna. You can follow me on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, and my YouTube account. I-search na lang ang Thea Talentino.
Thank you very much, Thea. It was so fun to talk to you this morning. Daghan kaayong salamat. Stay safe.
Thank you!
Kini ang At Home with GMA Regional TV.
Mga kapuso, alang sa mga K-pop o anime fans diha nga nahilig sab sa mga OST o official soundtrack sa mong mga palabas. Sakto ang atong guest karong buntaga, sanglit sayro nato ang iyahang pagkamusikero ug iyahang storya. Ato makauban si Jomard Sam de los Reyes gikan Malaybalay City, Bukidnon. Sam, good morning and welcome sa At Home with GMA Regional TV. Kamusta?
Hello everyone! Hello mga kapuso. I am actually fine and never been better.
Maayo kay anak ka sa maayong kahimtang, Sam, taliwala sa challenges karong panahon sa pandemya. Apan Sam, please share to us no kung paunsa ba nagsugod kini nga imuhang pagkamusikero ug pagkapianista.
It was actually my sister Nicey. Hello Sister Nicey if you're watching. She was actually the real pianist of the family. So she actually like playing piano and I was like baby while she was like babysitting with me. So maybe because that formed kind of sort of cognitive development in my brain and of course with the environmental factors na akong mga cousins kay also mga musicians sad. So as I grow up, na-develop na ko siya.
Unsa sa ba ang storya aning pagsugod nimo og himo og musical content sa social media? Paunsa kini nagsugod?
Well, when I was still in junior high school, di ba, the technology way back kay dili na kayo siya ingon nga usbong. So it was my first time to have an iPad that has a clear camera. So I grabbed that opportunity to record myself playing piano. And then when I first posted in Facebook, I gained a lot of attentions, a lot of likes and comments, and a lot of people are like requesting a song for me to play. And then that time I found out that, I can receive a lot of impressions with different kinds of people. So I must continue playing with music.
Sam, unsa-unsa pud ba nga mga kanta ang na-cover na nimo ug unsa ang maingon nimo nga imuhang paborito?
Yes, Mr. Cyril. Di ba makabantay ka ng magtanaw ka og salida, especially when nag-Ghibli movies? naagid sila yung mga vibes na murag ma-feel jud nimo nga lahi ra gid siya. The Japanese music, the Kimi no Nawa, the Weathering with You. So I decided na siguro I'm gonna play the themes and the music na gikan ato na movie. And then sa pag-play na ako, lahi ra gid siya kay ma-feel gid ako ang music, ma-feel na ko ang kakawala akong stress with it. So it's kind of sort of amazing gid kaayo siya na mag-play ko, and then ganahan gid kayo ang mga tao nga maminaw sa kuha na mag-play of that kind of music. And one of my favorite music, Mr. Cyril, is the canon.
Og syempre mga kapuso, adunay giandam nga short performance si Sam alang kanato karong buntaga.
Hi mga kapuso, this is Sam and I'm going to play Yiruma, River Flows in You para sa inyo.
Alright, what a wonderful performance indeed. Daghang salamat Sam sa oras ug sa pag-share sa imong talento dinhi sa At Home with GMA Regional TV. Keep on playing wonderful music.
Thank you, Mr. Cyril, and thank you mga kapuso, and thank you so much for this great opportunity at home with GMA Regional TV.
Relax lang mo mga kapuso, kay mo balik pa ang At Home with GMA Regional TV.
Kini ang At Home with GMA Regional TV.
Mga kapuso, this Monday morning, buena mano kita kayo sa Davaoeña Beauty Queen nga mo'y marepresenta sa Davao City sa Miss Universe Philippines pageant ang atong makauban. Mga kapuso, please help me in welcoming Yvonne Ortega. Maayong buntag, Yvonne. Nag-welcome dito sa At Home with GMA Regional TV. How are you?
Maayong buntag sa tanan. Maayong buntag, Attorney Resi. I'm Yvonne Ortega po, your Miss Universe Philippines 2021 representing Davao City. I feel good today po. How about you, Attorney Resi? Long time no see.
Good to see you too, Yvonne. I'm really doing well right now. But of course, congratulations for making it to the top 30 sa Miss Universe Philippines. Now, how do you feel right now?
Right now, I feel very excited po, and we will have our flight to Manila very soon. So fingers crossed, we will really have a blast with this journey.
Syempre, this morning is all about getting to know you and your journey. Kailan ba nag-umpisa yung interest mo in joining beauty pageants?
Actually, it started when I finished high school po. I got into an accident. And then with that accident, I really had almost less to none confidence. And then my dad was the one who pushed me. Matangkad ka naman. You have the communication skills. I think you can do this. So yun, pinush niya ako and I joined this local pageant. And I ended up being the first runner-up. So at that point, parang, ako'y potential, ani. I can pursue this and make this something great. So that's what I did po. I started from the bottom, Jude. I started from the barangayans. I went to local pageants all around Mindanao. And actually, just a fact, this is my first pageant outside Mindanao.
Recently nga, pinakita din ng Miss Universe Philippines yung inyong mga tourism videos. Can you share with us naman your story kung paano nyo ginawa yung iyong sariling tourism video?
You're just in time for the Cagayan Festival. I'm Yvonne Ortega, malipayo na pag-abot sa lungsod ng Davao, the city of eagles and flowers.
yes po, I really had fun with the experience. We only had 2 days to shoot everything. So we really tried our best to summarize everything that we can do here in Davao City, especially in a pandemic. So we really highlighted their responsible traveling as well. So we tried to feature different places like People's Park, Magsaysay Park, all the other areas where you can do activities. So we really tried to show all the activities that everyone can do here in Davao City as long as you travel responsibly. So also, I hope you can travel here soon. We have other places that you can also witness and truly enjoy the experience of being a Davaoeño.
Syempre, hindi talaga madali yung ginawa at pinagdaanan ninyo because, from filing your applications, top 100, 75, and then down to 50 at ngayon na top 30. Can you share with us ano yung mga preparations naman na ginawa mo mentally and physically?
Yes, in terms of my preparations naman po, it really said mentally because you can't focus yourself without having that mental focus on something. So I started with my mental confidence first. I started to really push myself that, can I really do this? Do I have time for this? But then I set my goal that yes, I can do this, I will do this, and I will do my best to prove that I can do this. So mentally, I'm good. And then it started physically. So I had my trainings in terms of the ramp modeling, in terms of the ramp walking, in terms of putting on makeup, in terms of improving my physique. So it really starts mentally, physically, and last one is spiritually. I always pray at the end of the day because I couldn't achieve anything without the grace of God.
Syempre, pag beauty queen, hindi mawawala ang question and answer portion. Well, if you were to create a hashtag or start a campaign using a hashtag, what hashtag would you use and why?
For my hashtag, I'd like it to be hashtag Davaoeña. So it's hashtag Davaoeña because I've been using that hashtag all through my journey. Even before I started Miss Universe po, I really want to highlight that I am a Davaoeña and I am maganda. So we just combined it and made it into hashtag Davaoeña. So wherever I may go, people would know that I am a Davaoeña and I am proud to be beautiful inside and out.
And of course, complete the statement. I am Yvonne Ortega and I am blank.
I am Yvonne Ortega and I am your next Miss Universe Philippines 2021 because I am strong, I am beautiful, and I am confident.
Very well said, Yvonne. Thank you very much. Ano naman ang mensahe mo sa lahat ng ating mga viewers, lalo na dito sa Mindanao, and please invite them also to continue supporting you as you compete dito sa Miss Universe Philippines.
Hello everyone. Thank you so much for supporting me all throughout my journey so far. I hope that you will continue to show your support with me and with my fellow Miss Universe Philippines sisters. So, wala pa jud na human amo ang journey. This is just the start and we will continue to show to you all the beauty, the glitz, the glamour, and the intelligence of what a Filipina is. So, I hope you will continue to show your support. Follow me in my social media accounts on my Facebook and Instagram. It's Yvonne Ortega po. Also, I have a link in my Instagram that you can follow so that you can witness our journey all throughout the preliminaries, the gown, and the closed-door interview.
Dagan kaayong salamat, Yvonne, and we will be with you as you compete for this national pageant. Dagan kaayong salamat and best of luck.
Yes, thank you so much po for extending your time and inviting me with your show po. I really appreciate it. Thank you so much. I hope to see you soon again, Attorney Resi.
Mga kapuso og Resi, maka-amaze gayon ang talento ni Jomar Sam de los Reyes sa pagtugtog og piano. Hinungdan nga daghan ang mibilib nga netizens sa iyang mga K-pop ug anime OST covers.
Usa sa mga ginapasigarbo ni Yvonne Ortega isip Miss Universe Philippines Davao City ang mga tourist destinations sa syudad. Gani awhag sabihan na padayon nato siyang suportahan siyang journey to the crown sa MUPH. Ug mga kapuso, sabay-sabay natong atangan ang character ni kapuso actress Thea Tolentino isip Minnie sa GMA Afternoon Prime series na Las Hermanas.
Mga kapuso, unta na inspired na kakaton kamo sa gishare sa itong mga bisita karong buntaga. Sama na lang sa panultihon ni Anthony J. D'Angelo nga develop a passion for learning. If you do, you will never cease to grow. Mga kapuso, makita pagbalik ang atong episode pinagi sa pagbisita sa www.gmaregionaltv.com ug ayaw kalimot na mag-subscribe sa official YouTube channel sa GMA Regional TV.
See you tomorrow mga kapuso. Stay safe and healthy. Ako si Attorney Resi Rizada.
Kinisab si Cyril Chavez.
Buong puso para sa Pilipino.